Welcome back to the gaming family. Today, let me show you how you can fix Dota 2 lagging, stuttering, and freezing issues. First, if you have lagging issues, switch to Ethernet cable. A LAN connection is highly recommended to eliminate many Dota 2 lag related issues. Next, press Windows plus R keys, launch CMD, and enter the command. Try changing the DNS server address. Open Control Panel, then open Network and Sharing Center. Click on your current active connection, open Properties, and select Internet Protocol version 4. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses, and enter this and the preferred DNS server, and this and the alternate DNS server. If problem persists, try reinstalling Dota 2. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.